This actually saved my job. My job gave me this when I started, which is a piece of crap. It would not pick up any internet. My internet was picking up as 0.8 megabytes per second, and they were blaming it on my internet. I told them, I have fiber optic. There's no way it's my internet. Bought this, plugged it in today, and let you know, this is my IT people telling me this. People that should know that I shouldn't have to figure out the problem for. All right, plugged it in. Let's pick up the Wi-Fi. Oh, would you look at that? Instead of getting 0.8 megabytes per second, now look at that. Huh.
Hello everyone, I just bought this TP-Link AC600 USB Wi-Fi, and the reason I bought it is because I just assembled this PC, and it brings like this USB port, and you can connect the antenna here, and you will have Wi-Fi into your PC. So we recommend it. You can buy it. Especially if you are a gamer, or if you have a PC that you self-assemble at home, you can buy this TP-Link.